Hi, it's Tony here from Physio Physique. Hope you're having a great day. If you're anything like me, I hate making appointments over the phone, and I'd rather make an appointment online in my own time and without having to wait. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can make an appointment in less than 10 seconds through our online booking portal. I'll also show you how you can add a shortcut desktop icon to your phone so that if you want to make an appointment in the future, you can simply get to our booking page with one click. Hope this video helps and hope to see you soon. Have a great day. Bye. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly add an icon on your home screen so that you can enter the booking page very quickly with a touch of one button. Once you're on our website, physiophysique.com.au, click on Book Online. Once you're there, this is the screen you want to bookmark and save. So in the top right hand corner, there's the three dots. If you scroll down the menu, you'll see Add to Home Screen. Click on that. And then it will give you the option of adding. You can change the name if you'd like. Press Add. Once it's done, you'll see that it will appear automatically on your home screen or your desktop. So in the future, if you want to make a booking with us, all you have to do is click on the icon and it will take you straight to this booking page. From there, what you want to do is select the appointment. So let's just say it's a follow-up, pick a practitioner, pick a time and a date. Now what you need to do to make it simple in the future, enter all your details like your name, email, mobile, etc. But then down the bottom, press the Remember Me button so that in the future, if you need to make an appointment, you can enter it very quickly without having to put in all the details again. And then once you're done, just press complete booking and you should get a notification to say that it's all booked in. Hope that's been helpful and see you soon.